Welcome! Today we will learn how to do back loop double crochet stitch and front loop double crochet stitch. Back loop double crochet stitch is abbreviated. And front loop double crochet stitch is abbreviated. And their symbols appear on the screen. Let's start with the back loop double crochet stitch. First we'll chain 3 for the double crochet as we demonstrated before. As we can see here, this is the back loop. And this is the front loop. So we'll insert the hook into the back loop. And do the double crochet. We can see the V shape is clear and also its back loop. So yarn over and go into the back loop, then yarn over and pull through and do the double crochet. Like so, yarn over and go into the back loop. Like so, as we can see. Into the back loop. Notice that when we go into the back loop we'll get that seam line here. Turn our work to start the second row, and start by 3 chains. Pay attention that no matter which side we are working on, back loop and front loop don't change. So, they are the same on any side. Nothing will change at all, they'll remain the same. Into the back loop. We can do any stitch in the back loop or front loop, single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet. Or any other stitch we want. The only difference is where we insert the hook. So here we can insert the hook into the front loop or the back loop. We can do this for any stitch we want. Now we've learned the back loop double crochet stitch. And this is how it looks. As we said, we'll notice a seam line in our work when we compare it with this one, which is done with front loop double crochet stitch. There is a seam line here as well, but it's more obvious on the one done into the back loop. Now let's see the front loop double crochet stitch. We'll start with 3 chains. This is the V shape. This is the back loop, and this is the front loop that we're going to work on. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the front loop. Next one. Make sure you insert the hook into the front loop only, not the whole V shape. Yarn over and do the double crochet. And into the front loop. Same pattern, as we can see. Next one. And continue on. Into the front loop. Turn our work and start the second row. Make sure you go into the front loop only. Yarn over. And continue on. Now we've completed the front loop double crochet. This is the back loop and front loop. Thank you.